Your home matters, and when something needs attention, we want it to be quick and stress-free to get it taken care of. Here's how to request maintenance with RPM LoneStar, and how we make sure your request is handled smoothly from start to finish. Hi, this is Emma with Real Property Management LoneStar. When something needs attention in your home, there are 3 simple ways to request maintenance. First, the fastest and most organized option is to submit a work request through your tenant portal. This allows you to describe the issue and upload photos or a short video so we can assess it quickly. Second, you can call our 24/7 maintenance hotline. Max, our virtual maintenance assistant, will ask a few quick questions to help us determine the right technician. And third, if you're unable to use the portal or hotline, you can send an email with your name, property address, and a brief description of the issue. We're here to help, and these options make it easy to get your request started. The best option is to submit your maintenance request online. Just go to rpmlonestar.com, click on Tenants, and then choose Request Maintenance or log in through the tenant portal. This will take you to Property Meld, where you can describe the issue and upload photos or a short video if needed. Submitting online makes it easy to track updates and helps our team schedule repairs efficiently. When you call our maintenance hotline, you'll speak with Max, our virtual maintenance assistant. Max is available 24/7, so you can get help anytime, even after hours or on weekends. Max will ask you a few simple questions about what's going on. You can also upload photos or a short video, which really helps us understand the issue clearly. If the situation appears urgent, Max will flag it right away so it can be escalated. If it is not an emergency, Max will create a work order and our maintenance team will follow up during business hours to schedule next steps. Using the hotline ensures your request is documented accurately, routed to the right person, and handled efficiently. So anytime you need maintenance, just call the hotline. Max will take care of the intake and help us get your request started right away. If you're unable to use the tenant portal or the maintenance hotline, you can also send an email to maintenance@rpmlonestar.com. Please include your name, property address, a brief description of what's going on, and photos or a short video if you can. This helps us understand the situation clearly. Our maintenance team will follow up during business hours to schedule the next steps. The fastest way to get your maintenance request handled is through the tenant portal. Once your request is submitted, our maintenance team communicates directly through Property Meld. If you need to follow up, have new details, or want to check status, please use the chat feature inside Property Meld rather than calling. This ensures everything stays in one place, so our team and the technicians can respond faster and with the right information. Calling for updates can delay communication. Property Meld keeps everything organized and moving quickly. Once your request is submitted, our maintenance team reviews the details and assigns the right technician. You'll receive updates directly inside Property Meld as the work progresses. If a vendor needs to visit the home, they'll reach out to schedule with you. Please make sure to respond promptly in Meld so we can keep everything moving quickly. Thank you for helping us resolve your repair as quickly as possible.